Hello, everyone. My name is Shaquille Simpson Katari, and I am the founder of Phone Biddy. And today I'm going to be talking about the update that I've made to your booking dashboard. Now, as you can see, we have the pie chart, and you can see that there is various of different problems that I've repaired. Now, bear in mind, everything you're seeing in this account is absolute dummy data, as I'm the computer programmer building this application, so people can use this software for free and actually learn how to repair phones the right way. We find ourselves in these Facebook groups, we find ourselves in Reddit groups, we find ourselves in many types of different communities online, so we can source information. And I thought, what about if it was all in one place? Wouldn't it just be a happy place, right? In theory, I guess so. But I'm developing the application based on what people's needs are and what I believe suits them. So without further ado, let's head straight into the application. Now, as you can see that I have my name, Shaquille, the due date is 30th of January, the price is £49, and I've booked in one device and device is in progress. So let's book in a new customer and let's see what happens. So as you can see, we've come on to our new customer dashboard, and let's just start off with our name, which is Shaquille. I know I'm adding me again. I will put my email and telephone number. And I will also have the device repaired on the 31st of January. And a random IMEI, let's just say it's an iPhone X. And let's just say the service cost is £40, right? And let's decide to add another device. Now, I know it says add another contact, but I just thought I will be changing that very shortly. In this case, we will add an iPhone 8. Let's just say it's a 32 gig, and this time it has a broken camera, and the charge is £50. Guys, I'm just really throwing out random prices here just so you can get the gist of this. And I could say, hello, my name is John, and I will be repairing your device today. Okay. So we're going to just say it's been booked in and we can book a customer. So now we can see we've got Shaquille at the bottom, and the device date is due on the 1st of Jan, £90 and 2 devices in progress and so forth. But if we check our emails now, we can see that we received an email, which is cool. And this is what we can see. Now, we can see a basic form, a basic receipt, as you can see. I'm going to be making this receipt look pretty. Right now, as you can see, the application's beta, as I said before. So I'm keeping everything basic just to make sure that we don't have to redesign the database. That would just be a total hazard of designing something, making it all look pretty. Then you realize you have to go back to the database, remove some tables, and you might just change the whole idea of that page. So yeah, in this sense, of course, this looks like it's going to be pretty solid. And yeah, so as we can see, we've got a price. Now, guys, this is where I'm getting with this, because what do we do now? Do we take a cash payment? What sort of payment gateways do you currently use? This is something that I would like to know. I personally believe in making this a really fair opportunity is using something like Escrow. Now, this is something that I'm going to be looking into, and hopefully within 2 days, I should be able to give you an update in terms of what I'm going to do regarding the payment gateway for you guys. But yeah, I just thought at this moment in time, just giving you the ability to understand exactly what you have here. And as you can see, we've got our devices repaired and we've got a total of £744. And we have 2 happy customers. So that is the basic features of regarding booking in a customer and sending them a receipt. You can see the tracking part of it is only going to get better. I'm really trying to understand in terms of how you would like to present yourself regarding if you was to select any of these queries, depending what message and how I present the email. So you will notice that will change in a couple of days as well as I engage with some of you. Yeah, I think that's quite awesome, guys. This is my, yet again, favorite feature, sharifying information that can help you grow. I really do encourage you guys to create articles because we do this all the time. We're in groups trying to pick and share information to try and, connect with people, to expand our horizons of knowledge. And the way I want to do this to make people look professional is through their own sort of personal page. People buy off people, guys. Yeah, we must not forget that. So the same way I introduce myself, I would encourage you guys to do the same. You'd be surprised. People will engage with you a lot more better than hiding behind a company. So yeah, I look forward to seeing you guys and speaking to some of you more. And have a productive day, guys. And thank you for tuning in to Phone Biddy, the future of phone repairs. PhoneBiddy.com.